Babyletto Wide Removable Changing Tray by Babyletto is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Convert your dresser into a convenient changing table with a universal wide removable changing tray. The changing tray comes with 2 additional smaller compartments that can keep baby changing necessities close at hand. As child outgrows its functionality as a changing station, the tray and included safety brackets can be easily removed to reclaim the space on top of the dresser. Universal fit. Convert most standard double dressers and tabletops into a changing area for your baby. Tray includes 2 smaller compartments and safety brackets. Made with New Zealand pine wood and RBI compliant MDF. Finished in non-toxic multi-step painting process, lead and phthalate safe. Fits 31 inches by 16 inches changing pads. We recommend the M5319 contoured changing pad.